Hello children, let's learn about the letters of the alphabet. Let's learn about letter C. Letter C says K in words. Can you make that sound? To make the K sound, open your mouth a little and put your tongue towards the back of your throat. Then release the air without using your voice. Now say the sound K. Can you say the K sound in a quick burst like this? K. Let's look at some examples of words that begin with the K sound. Say the word cat slowly and listen to the letter C sound at the beginning. Practice saying K, cat, and notice how the back of your tongue moves when you make that sound. Now let's meet some words that begin with the letter C. K, cup. K, car. K, corn. K, carrot. Place your hand on your throat as you say the K sound and notice that there is no vibration. This happens because K is an unvoiced sound. Now let's air write uppercase letter C. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write uppercase letter C, start below the top, curve up and around. Let's try this again. Start below the top, curve up and around. You can pause this video and practice some more. Now let's air write lowercase letter C. You can take your pointer and middle finger and air write as we go along. To write lowercase letter C, start below the middle, curve up and around. Let's try this again. Start below the middle, curve up and around. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are many more letters to learn about in this series, so do keep watching.